Hello, my name's Brian Knight and I live near Melbourne in Australia, and it's just turned 5 o'clock in the morning on a Wednesday for me. Oh, Tom, that's all right. Tuesday still for Tom. Let me just share this. Welcome to this live Forex analysis session. Just note that any trades discussed in this group will be classed as educational only. That's because we're a group of people helping each other and we are not financial advisors. So please only take trades that you're happy to take based on your own analysis. There's a full risk disclosure, a little bit about us as live session traders. Hey, Darren, and Tom's jumping in and jumping out. Something's
Yeah,
going
I had
on.
a problem with that. I'll be back.
Yeah, no worries at all. It's okay. It's got a few dramas. Um, so Darren, how's it all happening? You, you got how are those EAs behaving?
Well, hey, UDNZD's not gone very far today. It sort of went up, went back down, and
Mm.
slightly better position than it was yesterday, but still just messing around really now. So
Yeah, well, it's bound to
uh,
do that though, isn't it?
yeah,
Oh, there we go. Okay.
Oh, he's back.
Yeah,
Lovely.
I'm back.
Good. Yeah, I got some done uh yesterday. I'm down to I think I got down to Euro USD. I still got a few more to do, but I may not have them positioned correctly.
No, don't worry about that. So I'm going to make a quick change because I discovered something this morning.
Oh God, here we
Yeah.
go.
So last night when I was working on this, why can't I
Hmm.
fix my computer? Okay, go to your settings on your CM trend bars on the top half.
On the what daily? Yep, no worries
Yeah.
at all. CM trend bars. Yep,
Okay, one should be 7 and the other one
yep.
should be 40.
Okay, 40. Oh, you got 38. That's not a lot different. Yeah, okay.
Okay, and then go down to the lower half and the top one
Yeah,
should be 15.
which is 70.
Right. So it should be
15.
15.
Okay. And the other one
And the
should
bottom
be
should be 150.
150. Yeah, okay, I like that.
Yeah. Okay. Now let me explain why. Check this out.
Okay, hang on,
So,
hang on. Yeah, I'm checking it out. Right, let's go.
okay, grab let's see, where would it be? Because you don't have your favorites. It'd be in your trend line up on your indicators to the left.
Say this again. Oh, on the daily, yeah.
Yeah, go over to your on your toolbar, go to
Yeah.
the trend lines,
Yep.
click in there,
Mm-hmm.
and grab that regression trend down at the bottom.
Yeah,
You're going to
got
want to
it.
save that as a favorite.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. Don't care what pair you don't care. Just grab any high to low that's blue.
Any high to low that this one like this here. Yeah.
That's how you know it's going to change directions. The white line at the top breaks the regression tool.
Tool. Yeah, okay. And so the same thing will happen here. Well, wherever. We're waiting for it to break the regression tool and go white.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And you also got the same situation when it goes to there
Mm-hmm.
and it changes to blue. Okay. Yeah. Uh,
So you can look at this pair and
it
know
does.
it's not ready.
Yeah, it's not ready. And also too, it doesn't work as well on the 2 hour though.
Yes, it does. Put it on the 2 hour.
Well, well, you got white there and you got white there, but it's gone back blue.
Yeah, it never. Yeah, it. Okay,
Oh, it
so
hasn't broken the outside.
right, it's working that channel.
Right, yeah. It has to actually break out. We're here, it's gone white, and we'd go like, uh-oh, let's watch it. And then it doesn't break out. It goes a yellow or a gold indicator and then goes back up again.
Well, more than that. So so start grab a regression tool. Just grab another one.
Yeah, gotcha.
Okay, go back up to the see that white line going down that created that regression tool going up on the 2 hour?
This here.
Yeah, that white line right there. Grab that white line going down. From the high of the blue to the low of the white.
Yeah. Oh, you mean the one over
On the
here?
2 hour.
Oh,
Yeah, not
sorry.
that one. That's okay. But you could leave that one too. We'll use that as an example.
You want to go from there to there. Yeah.
Okay. So at the top of the regression channel, you can see where the thing turned white, right? It
Yeah.
went from blue to white at the top of the regression channel where you just put it on.
Yeah.
And look at your daily. You ended up getting a gold bar up there.
Yeah, which is that gold bar up here. Yeah, yeah.
So now you know you're looking for something going down. Well, to get a regression channel, you need a push and a pull back.
Mm-hmm.
So it pushed and it pulled back. That's your regression channel going down. So you're looking for shorts here because everything's white.
Yeah.
When it gets down to the bottom, you know that that trend has ended because the trend line turned blue. It started a new regression channel and it turned blue and took off.
Mm-hmm.
So all you're doing is you're following where that regression channel starts and where it ends to get to the next level, which is the 150 coming across. So if this is so if you're
What do you mean 150? Oh,
the
the
the other
the
trend
actual
line.
trend bar. Yeah, okay, yeah. Sorry, I need to I'm trying to speak the proper language. Yeah,
That's
yeah,
okay.
the one.
You'll see it
You
as it
mean
moves
this
along.
one here, the 150 down here.
Right.
Mhm. Right, okay. And you got this one here though. What the hell? What size is that again now? That's 15. Isn't that 15?
Yeah,
Didn't you
that's
say?
15. Yeah.
Okay. But it's really tight now to price.
Right. Exactly. It's really tight to price now on the fast one.
Yeah, on the fast one. That's right.
The
Yeah, yeah,
slow
yeah, yeah.
one is telling you which direction it's going.
It's still going up at the moment.
Right.
Mhm.
So now you're just following it. And you don't care where this goes. We should have been down in the trade down here in the bottom when it came out
Yeah,
to
yeah,
25.
yeah, yeah. Just well, here, wherever. But that was back 8th of July. Yeah, okay.
But again, you're not interested in getting out of this trade until that white bar turns white and breaks the low, which is going to turn this bar white. And it's got to be in
Of
the
the of the
75 zone
of the regression bar too.
on the regression bar. That's yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Hmm.
So if this is going to keep going up, it's got to make a new high, pull back, not break this Tuesday bar, and keep pushing up. It has to stay above this Tuesday bar.
Mm-hmm. Where's the thing to get rid of this tool again? Didn't need that toolbar.
Why do you have all that stuff?
Because that's favorites. There used to be a thing down here you'd hit and get rid of the favorites.
Well, actually, if you just grab the end of the toolbar,
Yeah, that one there.
that one there, and drag it down to where the dates are in the middle of the screen.
Yeah.
Perfect. Now you can get rid of all this stuff,
What stuff?
all the stuff on this toolbar that you don't use.
Oh, it doesn't matter. No. I don't need it. So I'm just saying, somewhere here, there used to be a thing here that was down here somewhere. That's annotate now. You used to be able to get rid of it. Maybe it's over here. No? Product. No. Oh, it doesn't matter. I'll work it out. It's out of the way at the moment. Okay, yeah. So at the moment it's just going sideways.
Right.
And it's between that sort of 25, 100, 175.
Mm-hmm.
And really we want it when it turns and comes back down and then breaks out of the 75. It could just come back up again. But then we're talking about it selling out.
But you're not even interested until you get a gold bar at the daily.
Yeah.
Daily time frame. Because you
Yeah.
already got your higher high.
Yeah.
You have your gold bar. That first line on the daily turns white. Start looking down here in the 2-hour time frame. Until that happens up there, you're not even interested.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Right. Okay. So if you go to AUD CAD, oh, well, that's interesting, isn't it? So if we put there and put there, to just dance it around as well, really, because would you go from the bottom here?
Yes, that's where I'm at.
Well, it would actually be further on, wouldn't it? There. You
Now
see
you
where it
have a
tried
see
to
how
poke out, then it came back, then it danced, then it came up, yeah, okay.
okay, so now you have a white trend line at the top, right?
Yeah.
And it can't seem to break the halfway point on that regression channel, right?
Uh, you're on the 2 hour. Yeah, it's broken halfway. It just hasn't come out the other side. Yeah.
On your regression channel, did it come out the other side on this last move on the halfway point?
Oh, the halfway point. Yes, it did. Yeah, halfway. Yes.
Okay, so when it pulled back, you see that gold bar right there down at the center?
This
One
one.
over.
Oh, here.
Yeah. Did that one go back up to the 50% line on the regression channel?
No.
No. Did it give you a wick at all at that 75 on your fib?
No. It come up and
No.
touched it though.
But it did turn your trend line white, huh?
Yeah. Went blue and then back to white again.
Uh-huh. And at the top, what does it say? Lower high up there
No, it didn't say anything.
on your daily?
Oh, on the daily lower high, yeah.
And you're in the 75 zone?
Yeah. Well,
And
below the 75. Oh, sorry. Yeah, you're below 75 on both of them. Yeah.
well, no, you're still at the 75 zone because you're technically still in it. See the candle with the wick?
Oh, yeah. Yep. That's where
Okay,
you're in. Yep.
so let's talk about trading this. We know that if we get this high and everything starts to push back down from that gold bar, right?
On the daily. Yeah.
On the daily, go ahead and grab yourself a short.
Mhm.
And you're going to take your entry down by that. Just put it on for now.
On the 2 hour or the
Just
daily?
put either one, just put it on. Doesn't matter. Okay. So your stop would be at the top of the wick of the lower high.
Yep.
And your entry would be at the third blue candle back from the lower high.
Just there.
Just there.
Yeah.
So that means that top is going to turn that white trend line white, same as down here at the bottom, which it already has. Then you're going to look for a completed candle, which will be this candle with a wick at the daily. And then the candle that turns the trend line white is the entry candle.
Yeah. This trend bar here is what you're saying about that turning white.
Yes.
Okay. And that's why you got entry down at the third one down because it should be white by that stage.
Exactly.
Okay.
No,
But
I'm
you
not saying
could
to take this trade. I'm just
no,
saying
no. But
that's
you
the
could,
setup.
yeah, but you could tighten up the stop though too.
I don't.
No, but I said
I
you
take that back.
could.
I take that back. If it's moving,
Yeah.
like we're getting
Yeah.
ready to turn,
Yeah.
everything says we're turning, I'll go ahead and I'll take the top of the gold bar. And if I catch it on like the third candle down, because I'm
Mhm.
late to the party, I'll take it from the bottom of the gold bar. So I
Hmm.
adjust it accordingly to where it's statistically at when I catch the trade, if that makes sense.
Yeah, it does make sense. Hmm.
And then I just let it run. And so for example, if we go over to the one on the left where you have the triangle at the top,
Yeah.
okay, drag your placeholder over.
The stop is still up
There.
there. Yeah. Entry is 1, 2, 3, which is hang on, I've got a entry would be about there. 1, 2, 3 down.
Mm-hmm. And then
And then
drag it down
whatever. Then you
to
drag down to
whatever
there.
you're gonna take.
Yeah. Well, where it went to was nearly 4%. Okay.
Okay,
With
so
about it.
do you see the pullback before the
Yeah, this
blue
one.
line gets hit below it?
This one here. Oh no,
No,
this one here, you mean in
no,
the middle.
up, the knuckle up at the top.
Oh, that one here.
Right.
Yeah.
You see that white line behind it? Your trend line behind it.
Yeah.
Okay, grab another placeholder.
Yeah.
Take one blue and one white brick.
This one here.
Yes.
Okay, well, where do you want?
So your entry would be at the bottom of that white brick that it just created.
Yeah, and the thing would be at the top there of the blue.
That's right. So now grab another placeholder.
Another one. Oh, sorry. Yep,
Okay. You see the blue line?
just here, yeah.
Uh-huh.
Turn white.
Grab those last two white candles above the line.
Yeah, those ones.
Those ones right there.
Yeah,
Your stop is at the second white candle. I'm sorry, your stop is at the first white candle. Your
yeah,
entry is at the second white candle at the bottom of it.
yeah, yeah. And then you go. You're
And you
saying,
go 2 by 2 by 2 by 2 by 2 all the way down.
yeah. Okay. Yeah, and we're talking stacking trades. Okay. It's not just grabbing the one trade, it's grabbing because what you'll do is you'll get a little pullback and then you got another opportunity.
That's right.
Hmm.
That's why I'm saying you wait till it gets to the blue line to take the next trade. Because if it's going to do any kind of a pullback, it's going to be caught if you go over to your left to the last high.
Yeah, this one over
Yeah,
here.
go down
Yeah,
to the white area where they cross. Look at that pullback.
yeah,
You see what I
yeah.
mean?
Pull
It's
back
the
up
same every
there,
time.
back
And
there,
once
back
you get
there.
that pullback, you start taking all the blue candle shorts.
Yeah. And here would be the other where you'd be having another buy in
That's right.
there and another buy in. You'd probably get out of that because all of a sudden, you've got a gold indicator. Okay. Oh yeah. But if we come back to EDNZD, it's just again playing around. At the moment, we don't have anything on the daily. We've got nothing on the daily though. To give Darren any comfort at all. A whole lot of Aussie news though. Oh, that was yesterday, 14th October, so they're all done. Okay. So here we're really waiting for this to potentially, because it's now, gold, like it's just going up, down, tiny little movements up and down. It needs to come out this regression. We need to get a proper white on the trend bar here. But at the moment, what we've got is this sort of up and down movement. Yeah. And really we want a gold indicator up here to give us some sort of a um, pre sort of pullback or change of direction. Okay. Oh yeah, so if I go to AUDCHF, look at the changeover happened there.
Mm-hmm. So now your is from high to low. Perfect.
And there's bounces there and there, and you have to keep moving this along to wherever it is. At the moment, it's just bouncing off that 25 on the daily. Yeah.
On AUDCHF, yes, I'm in this.
Oh, for the sell.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Can't beat the Tuesday bar on the 2 hour time frame.
Yeah.
Even if it pulls back, it still says it's going up to the 2 hour time frame. So in this scenario, I did in fact take the uh, top of the brick on the daily,
Yeah. Okay.
and my entry is at
This one
the
here.
yes. I didn't take the wick, and it just triggered me in because it's short.
Yeah, I was going to say because you got 1, 2, 3. Yeah, okay. Do a placeholder, and so it's like that's entry. That's going to be stop, and then we're right down here.
Well, I went to the low.
Where's the low?
To your left where the stars are.
Oh, right. Sorry, just there. Lower low. Okay.
So if it wins, I get 1.5 out of it.
Okay. Oh yeah, fair enough. We'll see.
Or if it turns here and shoots back up to take that high, we're still traveling up.
Yeah. Well, yeah, but at the moment it's
Right. My regression channel on my daily says everything's still white.
yeah, which
Everything.
is hang on a minute, which would be hang on. Oh, where's that going to be from? From up here?
No,
There? No,
no. Grab your
only from here.
yeah, because that's this zone. The rest of that doesn't matter.
Right, yeah,
All the
it's
rest of
only
that's telling you is we're on a downtrend.
yeah, but it's only within this area that we really
Did a
concerned
pullback.
with. Yeah, okay, because it did that, and now it's yeah, okay, rightio. To give us an idea of direction. Currently, which is the only opportunity you have to take a trade. Okay. AUD We're getting ready for a sell
Yep.
on the daily. It's already sort of started on the 2 hour.
Yep. So my setup is a short.
Yeah.
I'm waiting for that 2 hour. I'm waiting for that daily to turn line to turn white.
And we're okay. Yeah, okay. That sort of thing.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Got
So
it.
again, if it comes down and I win, and I get out at when it says, that's basically 1.5.
Yeah. At the NZD, we've done Singapore, you don't trade. I'll do this. AUD, right. So we want this is also getting ready. This is also getting ready to sell out too, potentially. Oh, it has already started.
Yeah, I have my trade set up already.
Well, it should have entered.
No, not yet.
1, 2, 3, and you've also got white. Yeah? No?
No, not yet.
Okay.
My entry is grab a placeholder.
It's down here.
Exactly.
Yeah. And this would be
To the bottom of the brick, which is basically that brick right there on the 2 hour. So I took the top of that brick.
You mean the gold
Mm-hmm.
indicator? You took
Mm-hmm.
the bottom or the top?
I took the top of that
Okay.
2-hour break. No,
Oh,
down,
right, okay.
down.
This one here.
Yeah, that one right there.
Yeah,
Yeah.
which is there.
Yep.
Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay.
Now wait, it gets better. Find your last Tuesday box.
There's that one here on the 2-hour.
Yep, that's it.
That one there, because it'll probably pull back to it.
Right, I've got to go and get my flu vaccine.
Okay,
So I'll have to
I already
leave
got
you.
mine.
Mr. Jab. Nah, I've
Right.
never had one of them.
Never
Anyway,
had one.
nah, no.
Worth it. Anyway,
Okay, no worries. See you
see
later
you.
then. Yeah, tell us
Cheers.
how you
Take
go.
care.
Cheers.
Um, yeah, now that's not supposed to be green though, is it?
No.
That's supposed to be blue.
Okay, put a Tuesday box on your daily.
Which is that one there?
Uh-huh. Perfect. Okay, grab another box real quick. You see the last gold bar underneath that white line? Yes. You see the knuckle right below it? That's the one. Grab that one. There you go.
Okay. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, well, I could keep going down. Oh, yeah, we might as well do that. Let's see if I put them in a reasonable position. Oh no, we've already done that one. That's okay. Hang on a minute. This is just in a downtrend.
Mm-hmm.
And okay. Um, where are we looking here?
I
We're
just did
from
the halfway point.
you did from about here.
Down. One more. Yeah, good enough.
Oh, I can do it there.
That's where I have it because it's a little bit sharper to follow the move.
Yeah, okay. Okay. Well, in respect to that, it looks like it's potentially selling out more. Well,
Mm-hmm.
it's got pullback potentially.
Right.
This
This
might.
and it's pushed so hard. That's why I'm not in this trade
Okay.
because I just came late to it, and it's like I'm not getting into this.
Yeah, because it's going to pull back up potentially. All right, KJ. Well, this is what I did, but I might not be right because this 2-hour is what's up here on the daily. So this is one I did on my own. This is CAD, Jay.
Oh yeah, well, how you have it is fine. It's not a terrible thing. I just simply went a little bit shorter on my lower time frame.
You went here.
I just went to the top of that hump where it's at the 50-yard line right there. Yeah,
That
right
one
there.
there.
Yeah. But I just wanted tighter entry, that's all. But that's actually where it should go.
You know, I thought it should because of the anyway. Okay.
Okay, so let's do one more thing now before we end up leaving here. Yeah, you need to fix that top regression channel too,
Where?
from the bottom where you put your bottom one.
Oh, you reckon just down here?
Yeah, your line has changed. It went from white to blue. This is telling you it's going to uptrend until it changes the trend line back to
Oh,
white.
yeah. Okay.
Okay, so click on that fib real quick. Anyone? Either one?
Yeah.
Going to the cog. Okay, put on the 25 to 75. You want the 50, the 618,
You
the
want all of them?
you want all those inside, yes. Inside between the 50 and the I'm sorry, between the 75 25. So it'd be, let's see.
619, 50, and the 38 too.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think there's one more. Let me look at this real quick.
No, that's all it's between 75 and
618, half and three quarters, and the 886. Oh no, no, no,
yeah.
no. Just the three quarters. Take the 886 off.
You don't want the 88. That's
No,
right.
nope, you don't. Okay, now save that one as mid 50. Mid 50. Before
Yeah.
you save that, you're going to want to change that. Oh, no, you can have it any way you like. Shut up, Tom.
The colors?
Yeah, I was going to say just make that yellow gold, but you do what you want.
It's okay. We'll just got it there for the minute and then I can change it. Yeah,
Well, no, you've already saved it. So,
I know because I was at that stage though.
right.
I can go
So,
back.
so what you want to do now is go down below to your 2 hour
Yeah.
and change that to your mid 50.
Mhm. Hmm?
So now you know you're in the mid range.
Yeah.
You're out of the 2-5 zone. It's not coming back to it. Now you're going to try
No.
and pick off the next trade going up. Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
So if you want to buy this up, you want to catch it on the white half of your regression channel.
Mm-hmm.
You want it to fail at the, I believe that's the 38, to buy up because
Yeah.
everything's blue
Yeah. I think
across
it's
the
at
board.
it's right at the 38 right now.
Right.
Yeah, it's right at 38. But it could just go below, give us a gold, and then go back up.
Exactly. That's exactly what you're looking for.
Mm-hmm.
If you're looking for buys, that's what you're looking for.
Yeah. Okay.
But at a glance, now you know you're at the halfway point.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. CHF JPY, another one I chucked on.
It's still climbing too.
Yeah. Yep. Sure is. Uh, I've got no idea coming back down at the moment.
Okay, I'm going to teach you something else. Could you go back
Hang
into your
on,
fib?
hang on. Regression from here up or
I did it from where the blue line started at the bottom.
all the way down here?
That slow line still blue, yeah.
Ah, right, when the colors. Okay, gotcha. And yeah, okay. Yeah, sorry, you were going to say.
Okay, go back into your fib at the bottom. Now you want the 619,
Mm-hmm.
the half,
Mm-hmm.
the 88,
Mm-hmm.
take off the 25,
Mm-hmm.
and is there another one down there? Nope, that's it. Okay,
No.
so from the 50 up. Now go ahead and save that as T50.
E?
T is in Tom, T50.
Oh, okay. T is in fall. Top. Okay.
Right, top 50.
Well, maybe I do TOP. It'll make more sense to me. Okay.
Okay. So now
We know where that.
change your top to the top fib, to the top 50. Look at your colors on the bottom one. That's hilarious. Oh, that one too. Well, you can change the colors anytime.
Yeah.
Um, so now you know at a glance, you're in the top 50 of the channel, right?
Mm-hmm.
What are you looking for here?
Pull back and or break the top.
Right. So you want it to fail to hit this 88.
Yeah. Well, it's on the
If
way
it
down now already.
Right. So if it fails to hit here and bricks right here at this knuckle, you
Yeah.
see the knuckle?
Yeah. Then we're going to do, yeah, right in the middle at the 88. That one there.
Yeah, grab yourself a trend bar, pull it across, should be green,
You mean a rectangle, but
a
that's okay.
rectangle, sure.
The other trend bar.
The other trend bar, that's right.
Yeah, the other left. Right, yeah.
Okay, so now we're working our way up.
Mm-hmm.
So if it bounces off and doesn't hit that 88, we're going up.
Yeah, we're going up. That's right. All right, we'll watch that. It's just about waiting for the opportunity to hit. It could come down and just break through the 88 a little bit, give us gold, and then go back up too. So we just got to wait for uh whatever it says on that. Okay, no worries. All right now. So it looks like I'm putting them on the right spot, the pubes in. Okay.
Yeah, I think you're getting
One
it.
one I did myself. This was Euro AUD. This one will need to be the top.
Now you're getting it. And then eventually you're going to make a fib for your bottom 50. And
Yeah,
that's what
yeah,
you're going to use the tops, the
yeah,
mids, and the bottoms.
yeah,
On big moves up at the top, you can use the 75-25 just for
yeah.
range.
Hmm.
But down at the bottom, you want to be exact. And this just unclutters your screen.
No, that's no good.
No, that is good. And I'll tell you why. You see your high to low?
Yeah.
Yeah, all this is
You
in the
reckon
middle
back
with no
there
stars, no nothing. No high to
like
low,
that?
no nothing. So it's like that.
Okay. They're just dancing around this.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Dancing at 75. Okay. Right, that's it's sort of like not an opportunity there at the current point. We'll see. Okay, you're okay. Ooh. So I had to do it that much. That's the same as what it is up there. And this is all the way from here up to there because it's still going up. And this one, we'll do a top 50 like that. And this one,
I did mine from the 75.
what do you mean?
Just drug it up to the 75 because that was the most recent low.
Oh, right up here.
Mm-hmm.
Like that.
Mm-hmm. EEA beautiful.
Okay. You're a CHF.
I'm waiting to trigger into this one.
For the sell, it's been going
Mm-hmm.
sideways for ages, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Um,
Your bottom fib looks incorrect.
it's the same as the top. Sorry, it's from the same point of the top fib.
Yeah, it should be at that lower high in the on the 2 hour. It should be at the lower high in the middle. Yeah.
This one, you reckon?
Yeah, at the lower high.
Okay.
Because you can see on your daily what the overall framework is.
You reckon like that?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, the principle I used is I copied the point. If I set up the daily, it would really be from here down there would be the fib, but because that was the lower high up here with the arrow, then I went down to this lower low.
Yeah, that high
At
hasn't been beaten yet.
this high,
No, the higher high where your fib is at the top.
yeah, I
Yeah, that's
know.
where that fib should start.
Yeah, but the point is, this hasn't. Okay, so let me say this again. What we did the day before was we set up the larger fib, right, on the
Mm-hmm.
historical, and then
Mm-hmm.
we came down and did the most recent thing, and then what we did was we worked out where that point was and that point, and then the fib went on the 2 hour from the from that fib. It's sort of like we copied that fib down onto the 2 hour from where it started, which is there. That's why I put the fib there.
Well, frankly, I've already moved my fib from the daily.
All right, yours is down here.
Yes, because that
Okay.
is the most recent high. I can see there's higher behind it. Yes, I can see that. But if we're going to leave this box of the lower high and lower low on the daily,
Yeah.
it's going to come out one side or the other.
So this is now so this 2 hour now copies the timing of that or the price of that
Yeah, it's
or
not
the
important.
time.
It's not important that they copy. That's not what you're looking for.
Yeah, I thought it was. That's why I did it. That's
Yeah,
okay.
yeah, you're looking for what works on the chart to where it is now is what you're looking for. It's not always going to be,
Yeah, yeah.
you know. But like now would be a good
So
time
you're looking
to
for a sell out of here.
yes.
Mm.
So let me show you why. Let's make that fib right now. Can you click on that bottom fib?
Oh, yeah, you want to make that bottom one. Okay, yeah, gotcha. Yeah. And you want the 50, the 12, and the 38. I'm going to save as. Um,
I have mine as B50.
hmm, there you go.
What?
Oh, and look at it.
Why is that 618 still in there? Or 75?
Oh, why is it? Because I left it on for some reason. There you go.
Perfect. Change the top for me too.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so slide this bottom up just a little bit. The bottom panel, yeah, thank you. Okay, so what I'm looking for is you see the 0.12 down here, the green one?
Yeah.
I'm looking for failure out of this. So let it pull
Yeah.
up, test it, start pulling down. Somewhere between that 1, 2, and 0 is going to give you some sort of an indication that it's going to go further, either a knuckle or a pullback or something to push down out of the bottom. So because I'm looking at this going, hey, there's a gold on the daily.
Yeah.
You have your push, which turned the top one white. You have the bottom one that turned white. I'm now saying this is going to break the low and push out the bottom. So I put,
Mm.
grab a placeholder
Mm-hmm. On the daily or the 2 hour?
on the 2 hours, fine. So if you can find the top of that white candle,
This white candle or the one
it'd be
above
the
it?
second one down. So the bottom of the second one down. Yeah, that one right there. So the top of that one, the top of the third candle that you're on, the top.
Yeah, I know. I'm just trying to. Yeah,
My
that would
stop,
that would be a stop.
that would be my stop.
Yeah, your entries now.
And then my entries now.
Mm-hmm.
And I follow it down where it says it's taking it.
Yeah, okay. Okay. Oh yeah. Euro GBP to go some to oh, we're in the top. Oh wait a minute. We better no. So that's where I put the daily,
Mm-hmm.
lower high down to this lower low.
Mm-hmm.
So I copied that, but that's probably not the best way, is it?
I only trade from the low on the daily to the high it's creating.
Which is only there.
Where's the gold bar
There.
on the daily? Grab your regression channel.
It's there.
No, grab a regression channel.
Gotcha.
You see the last gold bar it created currently
On which the
daily,
yeah, which is just there.
right? You see the one before that at the bottom,
There.
right? Go from there up.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
No,
So,
I'm talking about where the fib is on the 2 hour.
well, that's what I'm trying to show you. So,
Ah,
for
okay.
for me, I have it at grab your fib to your left. I have it right there.
Yeah, no, I understand that now. It hasn't broken it, so it's right up
Right.
in the top section.
So now put your top 50 down at the bottom fib.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Mm-hmm. So let me just try and work out. So what I'm doing then is I'm doing the most recent high from where price is. I'm doing the most recent high to the most recent low. So the swing high to swing low, and wherever that sits itself. Okay, so if this wasn't all the way up there, it would be from there to there, for example. Okay,
Right.
I'm trying to get in my head. Just
Yep,
trying
yep,
to,
yep, yep, yep. Good stuff. Now let's say this does push. It fails here at the 88 and pushes up. You move your
yeah.
fib back to the top of the lower high on your daily because that's your true zone then.
Uh, you mean if it breaks that, breaks the 100, then I'm going to have to move the fib back up here.
Right.
Okay, gotcha.
Grab a regression channel and put it on the bottom one as
Oh yeah,
well.
sorry. Yeah, I'm just
That's okay. I just want to get
my
it in your head to just automatically do it. And I would take it not from those triangles, but I would take this one from the low.
oh, so that. Oh,
Nope,
you
down
mean the
there.
low down
Yeah,
here?
yeah, yeah.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Because that's a pretty big push up and down. I want to make damn
Try to
sure I'm
come
in the right
out.
area.
Try to come out. Try to come out. Yeah,
Yeah.
okay. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. Okay. I might just get down to the ones where I am, then hopefully maybe today I might be able to do some more of the other ones. You're at JPY. Oh, this one was pretty easy because it was only sort of one movement.
Right. I didn't even bother putting on the regression channel on the top yet. it's it's just straight running.
Yeah, I know. Um, and if it needs to, God, it's going to have to come back up. Freaking like it can't because look at it. There is no high over to the left on the 2 hour. It's it's breaking the high on the all-time high. Do you know what
Yeah.
I mean?
Yes. That's why I'm saying just let it run, man. If we're going to
Yeah.
make a new high, then when this pulls back and misses that 88, I'm getting in this trade
Yeah, let's get
because it could
going.
push for months.
We might even get a goal here soon. It's failed the 88 here.
Which is what you want.
Yeah, so it looks like
Yeah.
it's ready to kick itself back off again. Okay. Um,
Change your
and
80, change that one too, and I'll tell you why. When you match the fibs on the timelines, you'll see it pull back to the 88 and give you a wick on the daily,
mhm,
but it'll be taken off on the 2 hour.
mm. Yeah, no, that's okay.
So you just want to see it. If it's going to wick and just tap that 88 and go, fantastic.
Mm. Okay, you're at NZD. This also was taken off too.
Mm-hmm. Now, what just happened?
Knuckle in on the 2 hour.
Did it hit the 88?
No,
Rule of thumb is with a
it'll
knuckle,
continue up.
go in the same color as the trend line.
Yeah. Get in the buy. It's
I'm
ready to
getting into the
go.
buy. I already have mine set up.
Hmm.
So I'm taking the 2 green candles behind it.
Yeah, okay. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. Interesting. All right. No worries. And Euro USD, because you don't do Singapore, so I just
So if you'd like me to look at your Singapore for you, since I don't trade it and just make sure everything looks right, I'll do that for you.
yeah, it's all right. Well, it's okay. No
Okay.
problem. Um, no, I don't know if you went from here to there.
With what?
Your fib,
Uh,
because you
no,
see the fib would either
I
be
went
way
from the
back
low to
there
the high where it's
where
at
I,
now.
where I've got it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's made that high. Yeah, okay, no worries. So I could have gone from that low or even that low to that high.
Yeah. The problem being is you don't want to be in too early and get caught because you think it's outside the 75.
All right, so that's the sort of most recent low, really, from where the highs and lows are. Okay, and it's in that top, it's in the top
50.
section, and so's this. It's come down, broken the 88, but not the 75, pulled back up again. If it comes up, doesn't break that 88, then we're going back down.
Put your regression channels on.
Oh, yeah. Mm. It'll be from the bottom here. Okay. This one would probably be from here up, though. Would it?
No,
No.
it's
No.
that last line.
Where? All the way down here.
No, at the top. So it'd be from the high to the low at this point because you changed colors
Ah, you go from there to there.
on the trend lines.
Yeah, okay. You reckon there to there. Mm. Pull back to the 88 and then drop off again.
Yeah. So my trade is set up already for the short.
Hmm.
So on the daily, you see the one that hit the 75, the gold brick that hit the 75 on the
Yeah,
daily.
yeah.
So that would be above that
Which,
gold
which is
brick.
which is just there.
Uh-huh. Above the gold brick on the daily is my entry,
Hmm.
and my stop is at the top of the candle it's creating right at this
Yeah,
moment.
yeah, okay. That's it. Hmm.
We already have a color change on the daily.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You do.
We have a push down that broke the 88.
Yeah. Okay.
You got a high, you got triangles. So I'm just following my method.
So
It
you got a
gave
whole heap of
me,
shit. You got a whole heap of shit going on.
yeah, exactly. So I give it a nice big stop loss.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
This stop loss is 163. I don't
It's
care. I want
allowed.
1%.
You're allowed for the pullback. Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
And my entry isn't going to trigger in until it fails that 88.
Yeah. It looks like I'm going okay. I'll put on food. So now I've got to go GBPs, NZDs, and the USDs. I've just got to do those ones I haven't done. Let's see, I haven't, I think GA, I haven't got to that yet. No, I've got to sort that out. Okay. There's the Singapores are in there. Got that. What was the other? That was Euro Singapore and AUD Singapore. That one there. And it's broken the low.
Mm-hmm.
It looks like it's going further down. Anyway.
So just just make it automatic, man. Just make it automatic that you put on one of those channels.
This one. This one down here will be the oh, you mean channel, sorry, not that. So it's the bottom 50. Oh, that.
Mm-hmm.
And that should be bottom 50 as well, but then you want a regression channel as well. Okay. And then you want that to be from there up. And then this would be shit with this. Oh no, here.
Now
No, it's going
on
back
its way
down.
down.
Yeah, I know. I just saw
You got a
that.
lower high on the daily with a gold bar. We're pushing down someplace. So that channel will help you.
Like that.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty small.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'll look at break to the 25, bounce off back and then break down. Okay. Yeah. Well, that's that one. And then Euro Singapore was, oh, it's on the top. On its way back up. Oh.
It is now time.
Yep. There we go. That's still going up though.
Mm-hmm. Take that one as the overall from the low.
Down here.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That'll keep you
okay.
out of fake outs.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. And you want this also too. You want that on the top. Okay. All right. I better go. So I'll
Okay, man.
start work. I'll work on these other ones. We're getting there. And there's some potential trades today. So it's Tuesday for you. So it's Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I'm in 2 now, and I've got like 10 set up.
Mm-hmm.
I'm looking for that Tuesday turn into Wednesday.
Yeah. Okay. Lovely. All right then. I better get going.
All right, man.
Oh, thank you very much.
Yeah.
We'll keep working now. Well, we'll work further down the list tomorrow, whatever. We'll go from there.
Yeah, we'll get it.
Okay then. Ciao.
All right. Bye.